Are you looking forward to youthful and glowing skin without turning to personal products? Here are some natural solutions that may surprise you with their effectiveness. The cause of the appearance of the epidermis. Before we move on to solutions, it is important to understand why the problem arose. They consist of skin tissue and elastin, which are fibers that make up the skin. With age, the production of these fibers decreases, which leads to the appearance and development. Other factors such as sun exposure, smoking, and unhealthy nutrition also contribute to the development of the disease. Natural methods for the skin. Daily skin care. Cleaning. I use a gentle, sulfur-free cleaner for digital communications twice a day. Moisturizer. Uses a moisturizer rich in vitamins and amino acids on body moisture. Sun protection. Used for extensive sun protection with a sun protection factor, SPF, of at least 30 per day. Natural recipes. Avocado mask. Avocado is rich in vitamins and minerals that help moisturize and nourish the skin. Honey and aloe vera mask. Honey and aloe vera mask are natural ingredients that help regenerate and fight skin cells. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps moisturize the skin from damage. Healthy nutrition. Eat them rich in vitamin food, such as fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Sufficient water intake helps to hydrate the skin from water. Caffeine sleep. It reduces food intake on old skin and old tissues that vary between variety and difference. Relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as yoga and meditation help reduce anxiety, which leads to the appearance of hair loss. Notable. Specify a certain period of time. Some important points may take some time. Medical advice. Before using any natural formula, consult a doctor to make sure it is suitable for your body type. Would you like to know more detailed recipes? You could be offered recipes customized to your skin type. Gemini may make mistakes, including mistakes related to people, so be sure of this. Your privacy. WA.